Item: SCP-565. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-565 is kept in a Type 3 aquatic object containment tank on Level 4B of Site-77. It is fed twice daily, and tested weekly for development or degradation of mental capacity. Staff who are so inclined may view SCP-565 during its scheduled feeding times by appointment with Dr. Schaefer. Description: SCP-565 is an ambulatory human head, apparently male, which appears to mimic the behavioral patterns of Carpilius convexus, a species of coral crab. Its chief method of ambulation is the manipulation of tendrils of unfurled brain matter which emanate from a large crush wound at the back of its skull. These tendrils are often utilized as legs, allowing SCP-565 to scuttle along the seafloor like a crab, but occasionally are operated for motion and manipulation in a manner similar to the tentacles of an octopus or jellyfish. To date, Foundation research has proven inconclusive on how and why SCP-565 remains animate, or how it is able to manipulate neural tissue in a manner suggestive of musculature. Testing is ongoing, but, data expunged, researchers who wish to contribute work or theory to the investigation of SCP-565 should contact Dr. Schaefer through the usual channels for an appointment and transfer interview. SCP-565 was caught by a fishing trawler called Saturday's Child off the coast of Redacted, interviewed captain and was informed that SCP-565 had been sighted several times by local fishermen, and was apparently living as part of a crab colony in the area's reefs. Video footage taken by one such fisherman shows SCP-565 feeding on a dead clownfish. See attached document 565A for further. Redacted. SCP-565 is not immune to the harmful effects of exposure to a watery environment, and has continued to decay as is normal for dead tissue. It is estimated that SCP-565's decay will have advanced sufficiently to neutralize it within. Redacted.